How to hide send and archive button in reply on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to the Gmail. As you can see, this is my home page. Now go to the top right here and click on the settings option. Now after you click on settings, go down and click on see all settings, and it will take you to this page. Now go down until you find the send and archive option. Now click on hide send and archive button in reply and scroll down and click save changes like this. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.